because right now, if you look at the overall trend, it is to the downside. Even if it shows that it's bounced, if it can't break VWAP and hold, it's going to come straight back down, right? So if we start buying
Yeah,
into
that makes sense.
calls, yeah. So if we start buying into calls right here in the middle, this is what I like to call the middle, meaning we're not at the bottom and we're not at the top of this, where this channel is, which in this case is 177 19, or right here on VWAP 177, it looks like 48, 41. We're in the middle of it. I don't buy in the middle. I need to get definitive one way or the other. So I wouldn't look at this until we're up in here or until we're below here. Does that make sense? Or if you guys remember, because isn't VWAP going to act like resistance? We can buy puts when it touches VWAP as well, right? Which is the opposite of what you think, because you're like, yeah, but it's trending to the upside. Well, wrong. Those are puts with a stop above VWAP, right? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
It's opposite of whatever you think, which is wild. You're like, but Apple's going to the moon, right? So everybody's like, yay. Well, the professional traders are seeing VWAP and we're going to buy shorts and puts to drive it right back here. See it?